How to duplicate apps on Samsung phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how can you duplicate apps on Samsung phone. The duplicate app on Samsung phone, you could use the built-in dual messenger feature for certain apps, or utilize the secure folder for more apps and enhance security, or explore third-party apps like parallel space. Now if you want to use dual messenger for a specific app, you want to go to the settings or go to the phone settings. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down and look for advanced feature. If you are unable to find it, so what you could also do is you could also type in advanced feature on the search box, and once you actually go to the advanced feature section, you could go ahead and find out this dual app section, dual messenger. Now select the apps you want to duplicate from the list and toggle the switch to enable the feature for the chosen app. A second copy of the app will be installed, indicated by a dual messenger icon. If you cannot find that option, that means the following option or feature is not compatible in your device. You have to use the third-party tools. Like I already mentioned, you could go with the cloned app. You could actually go with the third-party application such as Parallel Space. You could go to your respective app store and install it and run the installation, and you could follow the prompt, and that's going to help you out to duplicate app on Samsung. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.